Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adeyemi, and I first found out about 10Alytics on social media. In Insight, it's a full circle moment because I watched the testimonials of others about the program, how it had helped them successfully transition into the tech space. So intrigued by their story, I decided to check it out myself, and eventually I registered for the Financial Analytics program. That's the course 12. And from day one, my experience with Blessed and a few other program coordinators was just outstanding. Blessed was incredibly supportive, organized, and just generally cared about each student's progress. Also, the facilitators on the program were equally impressive. They were very knowledgeable, approachable. They had like real life projects and problems you could work on, and always they were ready to go the extra mile to ensure that the concepts they were teaching were very and clearly understood by every single person. The classes and projects were challenging. They were educating and very rewarding. Every module was practical, and they were tied to real world scenarios, which helped me apply what I was learning immediately. And also, I had a chance to work on group projects, and that also taught me how to collaborate effectively with other people, just like in a real work environment. So I also appreciated the self-paced learning modules and the watch me do these videos. This helped make sure that time zone was not a constraint, as you get access to the learning modules all the time. The extra sessions during the program also, like the drop-in sessions, the mentorship calls, the CV review sessions, the interview preps, those were game changers for me. They provided clarity, they provided direction and confidence that I needed, to face any interview during my search. So personally for me, I secured my current role just 6 months after completing the program. And I can confidently tell you and say that 10Alytics played a very key role in me attaining this success. From polishing my technical skills to helping me articulate my experience during interviews. Their guidance also made the journey very smooth for me. Even with prayers, they will back you up with prayers. Tell you, hey, we can't wait to hear of your success stories. And I remember one of my facilitators, said during one of the classes that to aim higher for senior roles, just because the quality of the lessons that we were getting in class. And that advice, just stuck with me, because there were several roles, that I could have applied for. But this very one I got, right now, I'm employed as a senior operations consultant, earning 6 figures, on my current job with one of the top tier banks in the US. This wouldn't have been possible if I didn't get, to sit down and learn from some of the best people in the industry. Overall, my advice is, if you won't go for 10Alytics, I'll just say do it. The program is very quality. It's worth every single penny. It's a great investment in yourself, to build and upskill yourself, and also, for your future, journey into tech. And I'll leave on this note, 10Alytics has helped shape my life, and that's why I can give this testimonial. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I was also watching the videos on one of the testimonials just like this, and that got me to the program. And here I am sharing my testimony as well. So if you want to plug in, I'll say go for it, do it, and you'll never regret that you did.